I went out and bought the 5 weirdest toothbrushes in the world. So let's go check them out. First up, we have this brush by Ulta Smile. Pretty much this toothbrush apparently brushes all sides of your teeth all at once. So let's try it out. Supreme toothpaste. How do you even... It kind of hurts. Ow. So the bristles on this thing are really, really hard, which is not something that you want when you wanna... Which is not something that you want when you're brushing your teeth, because it's gonna wear down your teeth and your gums and all that good stuff. So I'm not a fan of this, wouldn't recommend. Next up, we have the banana brush. Now I like bananas, never seen them in a toothbrush, so let's test it out. It doesn't, are you supposed to hold it like this? Like, is that the deal? I don't know, let's try. It doesn't clean anything! It doesn't clean anything! Alright, this is terrible. This is getting toothpaste all over my face. This does not clean an absolute thing. I'm gonna stick to real banana. Next up, we have the One Brush. This is supposed to brush your entire mouth, top and bottom, all at the same time in 45 seconds. So let's give it a shot. I really don't know how much toothpaste I'm supposed to use, but let's load it up, baby. I feel like this is gonna be a lot of toothpaste. So there we have it. A lot of toothpaste. Well, I hurt upside down. It's too much. It's tickling my brain. It doesn't do anything. So this is actually a really, really cool idea, but it doesn't really do much. I don't really feel like my teeth are that much cleaner. I feel like I just ate some toothpaste. This doesn't really get like to my gum line at least, and I feel like it wouldn't get to a lot of people's gum line unless they have small teeth. Yeah, it doesn't really clean so well, but it is a really cool concept. So, One Brush. I think this was the last time we're gonna be seeing each other. Next up, we have the finger brush. Looks a little bit like a pig. What's up with all these brushes? They're so weird. This isn't really cleaning anything. This isn't doing anything. It's just making my finger all toothpaste. And last but not least, I saved this brush for the end because it might be one of the most viral brushes I've ever seen in my life. The Super Silky 20,000 bristle toothbrush. Here it is, up close and personal. The 20,000 bristle toothbrush. This is the softest toothbrush in the world. But let's put it to the test and see if it's actually good for your teeth. Alright, right off the bat, I know this is way too soft. This is like using a wet napkin. It does feel nice, but it's not strong enough to like actually clean, you know? So the 20,000 bristle brush, super soft, right? It feels really nice on your teeth, but it doesn't clean so well because it is so soft. The whole point of a toothbrush is that it's getting in there and literally scraping off and like pulling off all that plaque, all that dirt, all that bacteria that's on there. So if the brush isn't doing that, it's not that great. Overall, I have to say, none of these brushes were good. Stick to a normal toothbrush. Just look for something that's soft or extra soft. Not this soft, this is too soft. But look for something that's soft or extra soft and you'll be perfectly fine. My favorite out of all of these was the One Brush, just because like it's such a cool idea that you can clean your entire mouth at once, but it isn't that practical. None of these were, but they were cool to try out. None of these brushes are brushes that I would actually recommend to use or that I would use on a regular basis, but they were cool to try. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because we're going to be coming out with another video about the 5 weirdest toothpaste flavors in the world. So that's gonna be coming up soon. My name is David, and before we go, I forgot to say this in my last video. Don't forget to smile.